Let's go to settings. Settings. You have these alerts, so you can turn on the in-app alerts, and turning those on as soon as you open your app, it's going to show you alerts, like if you have a once per cycle alert frequency before the period is expected, and if the period is over certain days, it will show you that alert for late period. And you could also set up email alerts, and that will it will automatically email the information to you, so you have to create your account. Let's skip that for now. Let's get out of this. Settings. Appearance. You have some nice list of skins to pick the appearance, so let's just change that. Hit done. Calendar theme. Different types of calendar. You have black view right here like that. And then I could just do that. Hide title. So right here, look at the title on top. If I hide it, it's gone. So if you want to be discreet, you don't have to be discreet. It's not something to be ashamed of. Let's calendar setting, best exam reminder. This is a nice feature that I see only in this app. The American Cancer Society recommends a self-breast exam at the same time each month. So it will, based on your cycle, you could do that, or on a specific date, you could set a reminder to do that exam. Icon legends just explains you what these icons mean. Enable calendar icons. Basically, if you have this off, go to calendar view. There's no those emoticons, the funny icons and stuff. Go back to settings. If you turn that thing on, actually we're in the wrong month to show you. So say for February, you have these icons on, all these little icons, the smiley faces and whatever. The N. If you turn it off, you're no longer going to see those. So it's a nice feature to have it on. Start out with calendar. If you start, let's say I'm trying to quit. So if you start from here, let's see if it takes you to calendar mode. Okay, so that's the startup with calendar feature. It'll take you to calendar right away. If you don't want that, just turn it on so that it takes you to home view. Go back to settings, forums, parental lock. You could create a password, test nudges to see if alerts and I guess messages between other forum users can be communicated to you. Passwords. Okay, so this is the password. When I started on start of the app, it prompts me for a password. So this is where you set it up. Password, question, answer, I guess the security question. And the online password is if you have their own account, and you could back up this stuff, I think, online. So that's your online password. Save that. Period, fertility, pregnancy. If you're pregnant, you could turn this on, and then for the next however months until you turn this off, meaning until you have your baby, it's not going to give you those alerts or reminders, or it's not going to calculate those period tracking activities. Turn it off. Stop pregnancy mode. Do you wish to ignore the last period in the statistic calculation? Yes, ignore. So save ovulation. Again, I don't even know what these are. Ovulation prediction on. Luteal phase. You could set it up according to your needs. Summary statistics. Again. So you can say basically calculate average using all periods, or you could say previous only calculate using previous 10 periods, and so on. Ignore cycles longer than 200 days, or you could say ignore cycles that are longer than 40 days, or something of that nature, whatever you'd like to do with. So let's turn that back on, and we'll go back to manage data. This is how you email and export your stuff. So you could send it in text format, CSV format, and PDF. Very neat. 3 features I've only seen so far: text or PDF in other apps of this type. So you could do a time frame email backup to that's really awesome. So you could send this all the data, the node that you input, to yourself. Save it. Desktop backup, store or restore. So what happens is, let's say you email this data yourself and you have a backup file. You could download that, and your phone gets lost, or you delete this app and you want to install the app again. So you could simply restore back if you have to be on the same Wi-Fi network in your home, and you'll have to just, this will create a URL for you. Go to that URL and then simply place that data file that you emailed yourself into the directory of, in this location, and then this app should restore all the historic data back to this app. Online backup. So if you have an account with them, iPeriod will automatically back up the data for you. So that's a nice feature to have, of course. Restore from iPeriod free. So if you had a free version, iPeriod free, then it would restore that data from that app. So meaning you'd have to have the iPeriod free app on your phone as well as the iPeriod Ultimate. So this feature will bring up the information from iPeriod free to this app, to this iPeriod Ultimate app. Support. To the friend, right? Facebook, etc, whatever. Try it out. There's a free version, as I was mentioning during the app, called iPeriod free, I think, right here. Yeah, iPeriod free. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy using this app.